could that be? What the heck? That's right, guys. We got a package from YouTube themselves. My guesses for this package is it's probably gonna be like something cool, you know, like a play button. We're gonna be unboxing this package from YouTube themselves. Let's go ahead. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Dude, they gave me a play button, bro. Let me get this out real quick. Give me a second. Gotta be super careful with this. Presented to Timbo for surpassing 1 subscriber.
Bruh.
Bro. How long ago did I do that? Like 6 years ago?
Bruh.
Bro, look at this, bro. Presented to Timbo for surpassing 1 subscriber. This is freaking sick, bro. Thank you just for all the support. Through everything, you know. I really couldn't have done it without you guys, you know. This has been such a journey. Love y'all. See you later. My very first play button. I'm glad for you all.